In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between payments and withdrawals when using NiceHash service. I'll also go in some details over how and when you get paid. So let's get going. When you register at NiceHash, you get your very own Bitcoin address. We call this address an internal NiceHash wallet. You can manage your wallet if you go to your dashboard and under current balance, you click wallet. You can also reach the wallet page if you click wallet tab over here. So on this page, you manage everything related to your wallet. But I'll get back to this page a little bit later. When you set up your NiceHash miner for the first time, you have to set up your wallet. So what this function does is it determines to which wallet address will you get paid. So this balance will move to some wallet address that you determine. Now, if you click on the wallet, you can see that you can just enter your NiceHash username, and this means that your NiceHash miner will be automatically connected to your NiceHash internal wallet address. Now, there is also another option. You can use any other Bitcoin wallet address, and we call this an external wallet. Now, we highly recommend that you use NiceHash internal wallet address because it allows you to get paid more regularly, and there are also some differences in fees. So now you might be asking, when do you actually get paid? If you decide to mine to NiceHash internal wallet address, you have to reach 0.001 Bitcoin in your mined balance. So as you can see, currently I am over this threshold and I will be paid soon. So for smaller miners, it is really recommended to mine to NiceHash internal wallet because you can reach 0.001 Bitcoin relatively fast. Now there is also a second option. If you decide to mine to some other external wallet address, you must reach 0.1 Bitcoin or 0.01 Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, this threshold is much higher than for the internal NiceHash wallet. Now, let me explain this difference in more detail. We pay out to internal wallets once per day if your balance gets over 0.001 Bitcoin. We also pay daily when your balance reaches 0.1 Bitcoin if you mine to an external wallet. There's also a lower threshold for external wallets at 0.01 Bitcoin, but it has irregular payment schedule as it depends on blockchain conditions and Bitcoin transaction fees. So what is a payment? Well, payment is an event when you get paid, when Bitcoin funds move from your mined balance to your NiceHash internal wallet address. Or if you're mining to an external wallet, this is also true when Bitcoin funds move from your mined balance to your external wallet address. So payment again is a process of NiceHash paying you for your service. And do not panic if you see this balance going to zero. This means that you are getting paid, and you can always check on the website. You will see a green notification that we are processing payments. Now, also a short notice about the fiat value. So you in your miner and at the different parts of NiceHash platform, you can also see euro value or any other currency value that you use, and you might see this value fluctuate, so it may go up and down. This is because the price of Bitcoin on global markets changes all the time. So don't panic if you see this fiat value change in time. Now you also might be thinking, so what is a withdrawal then? Well, withdrawal is just a movement of funds out of your NiceHash wallet. So if you decide to withdraw your funds, let's say you want to buy something with Bitcoin, or you just want to move your Bitcoins from the NiceHash wallet, then you withdraw. And I will get back to the wallet page now. So you can make a withdraw if you click this button. And also here we see you have currently two options. So you can withdraw to any other Bitcoin wallet address, and you can also withdraw to a Coinbase account. So be aware of different processing times, fees, and minimum threshold for a withdraw. Now, where can you see your payouts? You just have to navigate to Transactions tab, and in this section you can see all of your mining payments. So every time you get paid, you should see a mining payment with a certain ID under your Transactions tab. So I will repeat again. It is highly recommended to use NiceHash internal wallet if you are a smaller miner because you get paid more regularly, and hopefully this brings you some more understanding what is the difference between payment and a withdrawal, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.